Hi, so in this video I'll be doing a installation of the Givi TE6419 pannier racks. So this is going to go on the Trident 660, and I'm going to pair these with a set of Lomo Medium Dry bags. And the reason why I want to do this is basically just increase the loading capacity but still have a decent amount of ability to lane split. These are quite narrow, and I have a 15 litre capacity for each bag, and I feel like they will go very well with this rack, even though it's not designed for that. It's designed for the Givi rack is designed for the easy lock system, but you can put any bags that have webbing, which these Lomo dry bags do have. I also already have the Givi Topbox rack, so this will basically accompany the two 15 litre side bags as well as a 40 litre top box that I currently have, so I get 70 litres of capacity, and this rack just bolts onto the existing Givi rack that I've already got. So you can see I've already got the Givi top box rack installed, and I'm just going to bolt on the Givi side pannier racks to this existing rack. So first I'm just going to undo the existing bolts.
This is a T30 bolt. T30. Screw, washer, other washer. Like this.
The second part is to install where the passenger side passenger pegs are to basically stabilise the rack, so I'm just doing that here. Now it's just a matter of tightening down all the bolts.
There you go.
Should look something like this. So once both the pannier racks are installed, now it's a question of putting the medium bags on. Just figuring out how it's going to be attached. The straps that come with the Lomo medium bags are really well thought out and a good amount of length, so you have a lot of customization depending on the type of rack that you're going to install the bags on. And with the Givi rack that I'm using, there is a combination where this actually works, so you just feed through the webbing and find the best way to put these bags on, but eventually you do find a way. Here's a rear view of how I've strapped the Lomo medium bag to the rack. Once you've strapped it for the back, you just feed it through these front buckle loops. And here's how they look. So there is a strap that goes underneath the actual seat, and they are attached from the top. This is how it looks with the top box and the pannier racks installed. So overall, really happy with how it turned out. They are proved to be really useful actually. I've used it about 6 months now, like this setup, and we're in rain. It's waterproof, it's really waterproof, had no issues, and they get dirty, you can just spray them off with pressure water or a hose and they clean up really well. So really useful, really helpful, and hope you like the install.